Before beginning exercise 1.5, I just want to explain you how to multiply the numbers which are written in roots. Okay, so please understand the concept. As you all know that if simply I will multiply two numbers. For example, 3 into 2, I get 6. Now, if this is root 3 into root 2. Now both the numbers are written inside the under root. So they will be multiplied but on that multiplication there will be under root. So 3 2s are 6 and that will be root 6. If two numbers are given in such a way, root 3 into root 3. Same number in under root, same number in under root. So if we will multiply such numbers, so root 3 into root 3 equals to 3. Under root will be removed. Similarly, if I take root 5 into root 5, it will be 5. Remove the under root if numbers are the same. If it is root 7 into root 7, then it will be 7. But if it is root 5 into root 7, then numbers are different. So we have to multiply. 5 7s are 35, but on that there will be a root. Now, if I take two numbers in such a way that 2 into under root 5. One number has root, another number doesn't have root. So it means we cannot write 2 5s are 10 because one number is outside the root, one number is inside the root. So in that case what we need to do, we will join both the numbers and we will write all together, that is 2 root 5. For example, if it is 3 into under root 7. So 3 into under root 7 will be 3 under root 7. Always write the number, whole number before and the number which is in root or the irrational number afterwards. If now furthermore, these are the basic things. Now if I want to multiply 2 under root 3 into 3 under root 2. First of all, you have to look towards the whole numbers. 2 and 3. Multiply both of them. 2 3s are 6. Now see the under root. Root 3 into root 2. Multiply both the roots. 3 2s are 6. And that product will come inside the under root. If it is 2 under root 7 into 7 under root 5. First of all, multiply the whole numbers. 2 7s are 14 and then under root 7 5s are 35. Same categories we are multiplying. So it will come 14 under root 35. But if it happens 2 under root 5 into 2 under root 5. Multiply the whole numbers. 2 2s are 4 into, I told you already, root 5 into root 5. Same number in under root, same number in under root, then under root gets removed. So what will it be? 5. So it will, root 5 into root 5 will be 5. So final answer would be 20. Let us take few more examples. Just see. 11 root 7 and 2 root 7. Multiply the whole numbers. 11 2s are 22. Now come to root. Root 7 into root 7. Same number. So root will be removed. So 22 into 7. That is 154. Here 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Now both the numbers are different and written in under root. So 5 2s are 10 but inside the under root. Here 9. Here no whole number is there. It means there is 1. So 9 1s are 9. Now 6 sevens are 42, but in under root. So 9 under root 42. Come here. 6 and 5 first of all. 6 5s are 30 into. Now this is root 2 and this is root 2. So root will be removed. So 30 into 2 will be 60. This is root 5, root 7, root 2. 3 numbers. But all are in under root and all are different. Simply multiply. 5 sevens are 35, 35 twos are 70 and in under root. So under root 70. Here these two numbers are in under root but this is not. So the number which is not in under root we have to write at first and then roots you multiply. 2 3s are 6 and the number will be inside the under root. If it is 3, root 3, no under root, write at first. Now you know that under root 3 into under root 3 equals to 3. So 3 into 3, that is. So now after understanding the concept of multiplication, we are beginning with exercise 1.5, question number 2. In this, the very first number 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. First of all, simple multiplication we have to do. How to multiply two brackets? We will write the first number of this bracket and this entire bracket we will write as it is. Then this is plus, so put a plus sign and write the second number of this bracket and then the second bracket as it is. Now we have to multiply. 3 into 2 will be 6 plus 3 into root 2, that is 3 root 2 plus. Now come to the second bracket. Under root 3 into 2 would be 2 root 3. Always write under root afterwards. Plus root 3 into root 2 would be root 6. Now you see this is 6, this is 3 root 2, this is 2 root 3, this is root 6. You just see this is under root 2, under root 3, under root 6. All the numbers are different. No addition, subtraction, nothing is possible. So this is your answer. Now if I come to this question, this is a plus b, a minus b. That is a square minus b square. What is your a? 3. What is your b? Under root 3. So identity we have to use. Already we have learned in chapter number 2 and this was of 8. So a plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. 3 square is 9 minus under root 3 square would be 3. That is 6. Similarly, when I come to this question, a minus b, a plus b, same identity, a square minus b square. A is under root 5, b is under root 2. So root 5 square will be 5, root 2 square will be 2. So 5 minus 2 equals to 3. This identity is a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A is root 5. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Root 5 square will be 5 plus root 2 square will be 2 plus 2. This 2 will come as it is and since they both are in under root, they will be multiplied. So 5 2s are 10. This is 2 under root 10. Now you can see these two numbers can be added. So 7 plus 2 root 10 will be the final answer. Now in the same category, here you see that these two brackets I have to multiply. Here no identity is working, so I'll have to do simple multiplication. So 5, then the second bracket plus under root 7, then the second bracket. Now let us multiply. 5 2s are 10 plus 5 into root 5 would be 5 root 5 plus root 7 into 2. is 2 under root 7 plus, now both are in roots, so under root 35. Nothing can be done because this is root 5, root 7, root 35, all the numbers are different. It doesn't have a root, so this is your answer. Now if we'll come here, it is a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a is under root 3 and b is under root 7. Now 2ab, root 3 square would be 3, root 7 square would be 7 plus 2. Now both the under roots multiply, 21. These can be added. 10 plus 2 root 21 is your final answer. Now here you see both the brackets, a minus b, a plus b. That is a square minus b square. A square means root 11 square minus root 7 square. Comes 11 minus 7, that is 4. Similarly, numbers are the same. Here 5 plus root 5. Here 5 minus root 5. So again same identity. A square minus b square. So 5 square is 25 minus root 5 square is 5. So answer comes 20.